Are you ready, children? Let's start. A. A is for astronaut. Ambulance. Ant. Airplane. Children, again, this is letter A. B. B is for butterfly. Ballerina. Blanket. Basket. Children, again, this is letter B. C. C is for camel. Classmate. Corn. Carrot. Children, again, this is letter C. D. D is for dinosaur. Doll. Dentist. Dolphin. Children, again, this is letter D. E. E is for elf. Elephant. Envelope. Eggplant. Children, again, this is letter E. F. F is for fairy. Fireman. Frog. Father. Children, again, this is letter F. G. G is for giraffe. Guitar. Gorilla. Grapes. Children, again, this is letter G. H. H is for hot. House. Hamster. Hammer. Children, again, this is letter H. I is for Indian. Igloo. Ice cream. Iguana. Children, again, this is letter I. J. J is for juice. Jeepney. Jellyfish. Jacket. Children, again, this is letter J. K. K is for kite. Kitten. Kangaroo. Kiwi. Children, again, this is letter K. L. L is for lion. Ladder. Ladybug. Leaf. Children, again, this is letter L. M. M is for mother. Mittens. Monkey. Moon. Children, again, this is letter M. N. N is for net. Newspaper. Nest. Neck. Children, again, this is letter N. O. O is for orange. Ostrich. Onion. Octopus. Children, again, this is letter O. P. P is for pizza. Penguin. apple. Children, again, this is letter P. Q. Q is for queen. Quarter. Quail. Quiet. Children, again, this is letter Q. R. R is for rainbow. Rabbit. Rooster. Rocket. Children, again, this is letter R. S. S is for shark. Snowman. Sun. Star. Children, again, this is letter S. T. T is for turtle. Telephone. Train. Tiger. Children, again, this is letter T. U. U is for umbrella. Uniform. Unicorn. Under. Children, again, this is letter U. V. V is for vegetables. Van. Vase. Vulture. Children, again, this is letter V. W. W is for whale. Watermelon. Wolf. Window. Children, again, this is letter W. X. X is for xylophone. X-ray. Children, again, this is letter X. Y. Y is for yogurt. Yarn. Yell. Yacht. Children, again, this is letter Y. Z. Z is for zipper. Zebra. Zoo. Children, again, this is letter Z.